In an ever-changing business environment, the Robin Group, a closely knit capital-intensive conglomerate, is setting the pace in pooling together expertise, resources and technology to today add to its diversified activities innovative lifestyle products. The Robin Group, a renowned Singapore-headquartered venture with more than 20 companies in its stables, comprising business associates and joint venture partners in China, Hong Kong, Australia, and the USA, has extensive business experience in shipbuilding, ship repairing, dredge operation, oil rig construction, civil engineering, civil construction, property development and investment, manufacturing, prefabricated concrete module housing, electronics, and more. Its active involvement as early as the 60s and 70s saw it own and operate over 30 ships, totaling 1 million deadweight tons. Drill offshore for major oil companies in Southeast Asia and Africa, with rigs valued at over 120 million US dollars. In the 70s and 80s, besides shipbuilding, undertook the prestigious Robina City Gold Coast project at an investment cost of 90 million Australian dollars. In Texas, it used to own and operate 15 oil field equipment manufacturing plants with over 4,500 employees. In China, the largest then, 2,000-room hotel cum office commercial residential complex, the Beijing Lido Holiday Inn. It currently has a majority stake in an MDF plant in Jiangxi Province, China. After acquiring it in the year 2000, the Robin Group has invested in a second MDF line with a capacity of 200,000 cubic meters per year. On an empire-building streak, the Robin Group in the 90s invested in an MDF manufacturing plant in Mentakap, Malaysia, under the name Robin Resources Malaysia. This modern high-tech plant on a 23-hectare site, built at a cost of almost 190 million ringgit in 1995, produces the core board material also used in the manufacture of laminate floorings. Its 175,000 cubic meters MDF, medium density fiberboard panels, annually produced, also reach international markets. A number of processes ensures that Robin fiberboards are of consistent high quality. Robin high-quality fiberboards begin life at the log yard, where logs on a first-in, first-out basis are sent into a drum debarker that removes the bark and latex at the log's ends for entry into the chipper. The debarked logs are chipped, and these small chips are stored in a chip silo. Chips are then reclaimed by automatic screw reclaimer to the screener and screened for correct size at this screener, before being sent to the digester, where they are softened by high temperature and steam pressure. The refiner grinds the chips into fine fiber before being mixed with glue. The mixture of glue, wax and fiber is then dried in this dryer to an optimum level, blown through an air classifier that automatically rejects residual latex and coarse fiber particles. The forming station mats the chosen fiber for processing. Here, it transfers heat to promote resin bonding within the fibers together into MDF in raw form, upon exiting the 28-meter-long state-of-the-art Diefenbacher continuous press. Length cutting follows. The cut can be to specified dimensions indicated by customers of Robin Resources. The master cut panels are then placed in the star cooler for cooling. Conditioning for 3 days is next, after which a 6-head sander sands the boards, stringently checked and graded for surface consistency, thickness accuracy and other specifications. Once cut, The boards are wrapped and packed with protective moisture expellent material, either for local or export markets. At Robin Resources, each process is critically calibrated, monitored and engineered towards a level of quality second to none. The entire plant mobilized towards a zero defect commitment. The group is constantly responding to the market's needs, including downstream products. Robin Resources' latest investment is this direct printing line, which allows boards to move at 60 meters per minute. Here, the automatic in-feeding system vacuum sucks the MDF boards, one piece each time, and feeds it towards the direct coating and printing line. The boards are then cleaned by Super Traverse brushing machine before waterborne putty is pressed into the pores by the smoothing roller.